My viewers all over the world, you're welcome to my channel. Today, I want us to look at an interesting mathematics topic. It's based on the wall clock. And the question comes, do you know that the wall clock holds a secret that even the calculator cannot solve? And that secret, it is modular arithmetic. Modular arithmetic is a mathematics topic in SHS, which is being taught in the core mathematics textbook. So, we are learning today about the modular arithmetic. So modular arithmetic is on the board. So what is modular arithmetic? Modular arithmetic, it explains that it is a system whereby numbers swap around a certain value, then they restart again after reaching the value. That modular arithmetic is. So if you look at the wall clock have system whereby it starts from 1 till we get to 12. So after getting to 12, the wall clock starts from 1 again all over. So that's what that modular arithmetic talks about. So a system whereby number was around a certain value, then after reaching the value, they restart again. So let me tell you, so what secret do the clock hold? Which of the modular arithmetic the wall clock hold? So the modular arithmetic that the wall clock holds is the mode 12. The mode 12 concept. So the wall clock holds, so the wall clock is in mode, so mode 12. So the wall clock holds the mode of 12. So in modular, A is equal to B into bracket mode N. So this formula, it means that A in mode N gives you the answer to be B. So A in mode N gives the answer to B. And in modular, we write our answers to be remainders. The answer we write for a modular is what? The remainder. So after dividing the number by the mode or the mode by the number, the remainder gets our answer. You get this reason. So let's look at this. So when we say that the wall clock teaches the mode 12 concept, so let's look at these examples. So what will be 15 in mode 12? What time will it be 15 in mode 12? So in mode 12, what will be 15? So 15 will be, so what we do is that we divide 12 by 15. So 15 divided by 12. So 15 into 12, it will go to root 1. And the remainder is 3. So hence, on a wall clock, when we have 15, it is the time is what? 3. So 12 will go to 15 once, remainder 3. So as I told you, in modular we write the remainder. So this one will be 3. So the time that will be 15 in mode 12 will be 3 o'clock. Okay. So now we are having 3 o'clock. So let's look at another example. So what about 19? 19 in mode 12. What time will it be 19 in mode 12? So with this, what we do again is that you will see how many times will 12 go to 19. So 19 divided by 12 will go to 19 once. So remainder what? Remainder 7. Remainder 7. So 19 remainder 7. So it will be single number over 12. So the remainder is 7. So 19 in mode 12 is equal to what? 7. So that's why when it's 19 on our clock, on our watch, it is what? It signifies it's 7 o'clock. So in mode 12, the clock works in mode 12. So when it's 19 o'clock, then it's equal to what? 7. Because the 12 goes to 19 once, remainder 7. So that's what the clock does. Then what about 14 mode 12 on the clock? What is it? So 14 mode 12. 14 mode 12. 12 will go to 14 once. And remainder 2. So I said in mode, the remainder is what we look for, is the answer for the mode. So our answer will be what? 2 o'clock. So to be 2 o'clock, when it is 14 in mode 12. Okay, so now that will be 2. So it will be 2 o'clock when it's 14 on our watch or on our clock. So after getting this concept that the work clock holds a secret of modular, and that modular is in mode 12. So that's why if you have 19 on a watch, it's what? It signifies 7 because 12 go to 19 once remainder 7. And I told that in modular, we look at what the remainder to be our answer. So to get this concept, let's look at another part of the modular. So another example. Examples. So find 12 mode 4. What is 12 mode 4? So as we said earlier on, what we do is that you have to say, look at how many times will 4 go to 12. So 12 divided by 4. So 12 divided by 4 will be 3. And the remainder, there's no remainder, 0. There will not be a remainder. So 12 in mode 4 will be equal to 0. So 12 in mode 4 is equal to 0 because 4 will be 12 3 times without a remainder. So hence we have 0 to be our modular for 12 in mode 4. So that's it. So let's go. Another example. So what will be 15 mode 2? 15 mode 2. So with this concept also, what we do is that we find out how many times will 2 go to 15. So 2 go to 15 7 times. So 15 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Then remainder 1. So remainder 1. Because 7 times 2 will give us 14. So remainder 1. So 15 in mode 2, the answer is equal to 1. 15 in mode 2, the answer is equal to 1. I hope you are following what I'm doing. So please pay attention to more. Okay. So let's continue with another example. So let's find 6 mode 3. So 6 in mode 3, what we do again is that we see how many times will 3 go to 6. So 6 divided by 3. So 3 go to 6 2 times without no remainder, 0 remainder. So 6 in mode 3 will give us 0. To give us 0, this is our answer. I hope you understand the concept. So if you understand this one, let's go to another aspect. So let's go. So what about we have to find 9 mode 6. No. Okay. Not mode 6. Let's go with a different one. So what about 9 mode 12? So as you can see, to find 9 mode 12, 12 cannot go to 9. 9 is not 12, it's not more than 12. So with this way, this type of way, what we do is that we rewrite the 9 as our mode because 12 cannot go to 9. So 9 is not to 12, so you remain the same value. Once the number we have to find the mode of, it's not to the mode, we remain the number. So 9 mode 12 will give us 9. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So I'm saying that whenever we are asked to find the mode of a number, however the mode is more than that number, we maintain the number as our mode. So that's why we have 9 mode 12 to be 9 again. Then another one. So 15 mode 20. So 15 mode 20 will be the same thing that we have done here. So I said that 20 is more than 15. So 20 cannot go to 15 to see the number that 20 go to 15 and still have a remainder as our answer as mode. So now what it is that we remain or repeat the 15 to be our mode. That's how it is done everywhere. So please, with this is how we find mode. So I said that from the beginning. I said that what will hold a mode of 12. That's why you have when it's 15. on our watch, it signifies 3. We have 14 is 2 o'clock. We have 19 is 7 o'clock. Okay, so with this, I hope you understand the concept. Then we look at another examples of the mode, and now you have the mode that we are finding the mode of a number that which is more than the number we are finding the this is for. So with this, I hope you understand very well. So with this, so let me give you an assignment. So please, answer this question under the comment section of the video. Answer this question. So try. So find 8 mode 2. That's 1, 2. 16 mode 25. 3. Find 10 mode 5. So please do this assignment. Try this once and put the answers in the comments of the video. Please, if you are the first time watching my video or my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you'll be the first person to be updated whenever I post a new video or an amazing math hack or tricks on my channel. So see you. Bye bye.